Well, students, first of all, uh, many congratulations to all of you for passing your BCA and B.Sc Computer Science with such good marks. Uh, it's very natural to be apprehensive and to be like doubtful about the further career. You have a lot of options to work with. So we decided to have a presentation to put forward uh, one particular option which you can go through and decide what you want to do with your career further. Uh, that's why the particular presentation will give you an entire idea about the course mentioned here, M.Sc ICT. And further, there will be a session for questions and answers and doubt solving. So be ready with your questions on chat, and we'll be responding each and every question of yours, right? We'll be also giving you a link on email also, whether you can ask further questions too. Okay, I think now we should start the presentation. Well, the name of the course mentioned here is very clear, M.Sc ICT program. What is it? It's a 2-year PG course in information and communication technology. 2-year, right? It's a PG course. What is the purpose of this course? See, whenever you join a course, either you join MCA or M.Sc IT or M.Sc ICT or whatever course you wish to join further, you must always focus on this particular aspect, that why this course has been started. Let me tell you the purpose of this course of M.Sc ICT. When this course came into existence, there was a problem with the BCA and B.Sc computer science students because they had no other choice except to join MCA. At that time, the problem of MCA was, it was first of all 3-year course, and second, most of the subjects which were there in MCA were just repetition of BCA. So BCA or B.Sc computer science, when they entered into MCA, 60% of the syllabus was just a repetition. That was the major issue at that time. And so many BCA students, passed out students, they said, sir, this is not done because we wish to learn further. We wish to go for advanced technology. When we have already studied C, C++, Fox Pro, we don't want to study it again. So we thought, let us design a course which will start from where the BCA or B.Sc computer science ends. From there, we'll go for the advanced things, advanced technologies, and advanced aspects of computer science and engineering. That is why this course was started, to make conversant with the latest development in the fields of information and communication technology. We are very well known for our syllabus. You can ask your seniors, you can ask others. The syllabus which we have is ultra, latest, and having each and every aspect of what is going on in the industry right now. That is the beauty of this particular course, right? So this is the purpose of this course. Well, highlights, you must know this very clear. You must be very clear about what this course is all about. 2-year course. What is the focus? Focus on latest industry relevant topics in information and communication technology. It's not only information, but communication also comes in it. The courses now are not just one single direction courses. They are now, the courses contain a lot of multidisciplinary things also. So we have added communication. Electronics and embedded systems are also part of this. So we have good specialized subjects in IoT as well as machine learning and all the aspects of computer science and technology. So focus is on the latest industry topics. Another highlight of this course is project work in every semester. Yeah, so if you have 4 semesters, you have to go for 4 projects. The last semester, of course, will be fully in the IT industry. In the 3rd semester, you are placed in the companies which are coming here for the placements. We have a pretty good placements. You can have to complete your final semester in those companies. And further placements also goes after that. So 4 projects. So in the other 3 semesters, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, you have to choose the projects. either from the industry or from in the consultation with your professors. Excellent campus, of course, we will go through that also, infrastructure and everything I'll show you. Total intake is maximum 85, 4 seats reserved for sports and 6 supernumeric seats for NRI. The allocation of seats will be done on pro rata basis. See, we have two kind of students who are applying here. One passed out from BCA, others are passed out other than BCA, like B.Sc Computer Science, B.Sc Computer Application, or B.Sc other B Computer Engineering or B Computer Science. They can also apply here. So we have the forms like the percentage of forms collected for BCA and the percentage of forms collected other than BCA. According to that, the number of seats are decided. If BCA number of forms for BCA are high, more number of seats will be allocated to BCA, and accordingly, this in the same way for non-BCA also. So pro rata basis. That is why the exact number of seats will be only decided after all the applications are received here, and then we find how many seats will be allocated to BCA passed out and others to non-BCA or other than BCA passed out. These are the eligibility conditions: bachelor in computer application and all bachelors which are relevant to computer science and information technology. Well, this is the fee structure. Semester 1 to 4, 24,750 per semester. I think it's one of the lowest fees collected anywhere in the area which we, in the information technology, which in the colleges which are offering UPG, right? Other than VNSGU. So we have a balance of fees as well as the, the kind of syllabus and structure which we perform, so that it is affordable to everyone. That is the goal. We have some NRI seats also. This is $3,000, but it may be subjected to some revision after some time. But at present, it is $3,000 per year. Yeah, I think this will interest you because all of you have already done BCA, so you can understand the topics very well and what kind of subjects and what kind of technologies we pursue here. I think I'm very sure that all of you can understand English. You have gone through BCA and B.Sc Computer Science, so plain English, I think you can understand. If somebody has some problems in some kind of some word or some sentence, you are free to ask her, right? In chat, basically. Now, the curriculum covers the following subjects. We have a very integrated and very advanced subject of Enterprise Java, which covers Java Enterprise Edition, MVC, REST, JPA, JASPIC, Java 8 security, so many things, right? EJBs and all. So all about Java. If you want to be an excellent Java programmer, want to perform, want to go for as a Java developer, Java architect, Java solution provider, you can, this subject is going to help you. Front-end development with React and other assisting JavaScripts, information security, advanced computer networks, .NET Core and C# with MVC, LinkU, REST, Angular. The most modern aspects of .NET Core are taught here, right? So if you wish to go for your career in .NET, yeah, the whole C is open to you, and we have great expertise in .NET Core aspects also. Smart device computing with Android, use Kotlin here. And we have iOS 2 as a smart device computing as a subject. We have exclusive lab for iOS, dedicated lab for all Mac computers, where you can write your iOS-based applications and you can test them on the test beds. Then data science and machine learning, of course, it's very popular. It's already there in the subject. Other subjects like digital communication, we have blockchain computing, which we have noticed just now. Internet of Things, IoT, cloud computing and microservices architecture. This is a very new field and emerging field in the industry. A lot of companies are now adopting this architecture for the application development in web as well as mobile applications. We have DevOps engineering. The entire tool chain of DevOps is being taught here. Docker, Kubernetes, Kafka, API gateways, Jenkins, Ansible, Terraform, and so many things are there. Entire DevOps tool chain is combined with microservices architecture and cloud computing so that you can develop excellent applications for the cloud, right? Node.js, GraphQL, and Laravel are also there. The entire focus is on extensive practicals and hands-on session, right? All the subjects which I have mentioned here will be having the practicals and hands-on session, right? Project work in every semester. Again, I'm highlighting this because this is going to fine-tune you to make you conversant, properly conversant with the technology, and you can have your hands-on, gain expertise in all kind of languages and the topics which are covered in the syllabus, right? So project work is essential in every semester. Yeah, the same, some of the technology icons I have mentioned here, which are coming from the syllabus, which I have just given you. So we have Amazon, IoT, Java, machine learning, same thing like what just I said. All these things are here as an icon. Payara, Microsoft, Kubernetes, Python, PHP, AI, everything is here, right? You say what, and whatever is latest in the industry is in ICT. That is what we ensure. Okay. Not only syllabus and subjects and course and class and curriculum, we have alternate learning options also. So we have e-learning initiatives. Like lot of focus is kept on this alternate learning, so that students who have interest in a particular technology can be given opportunity to learn further also. Like we have AWS Academy, Cloud Academy partner institute to teach cloud related technologies to students. So we are officially AWS Cloud Academy partner institutes to teach cloud related technologies. NPTEL based learning courses and assistance are going on. Spoken tutorial partner, yeah, from IIT Bombay. We are pioneer and award winner in spoken tutorials from IIT Bombay. So all these initiatives are going on parallelly all the time in the entire year. Field visits to successful IT companies, industrial visits to IT companies in our city and other cities also. And expert talk on all cutting edge technology. So whatever things, new things are coming up, suppose they are not the part of our syllabus, we make sure that experts come here and they introduce the technology to you all, right? So that you get conversant with those technologies, right? And if somebody wishes to work in those experts will assist them and will advise them how to go for these topics, right? So this is a continuous process. Other learning things are not only technical, but we are having awareness programs, social awareness, skill development programs from Gujarat Knowledge Commission, Knowledge Commission of Gujarat, and other institutions of national importance. We have motivational and lifestyle coaching by experts. So lectures on lifestyle, motivational coachings by experts. So if you feel something like to ask about your career, about your personality development, about your orientation towards life, these experts are going to help you out. Social participation like thalassemia awareness, blood donations, they are also going over here. Personality development coaching, group discussion, mock interviews. We have a special subject for that. We have the subjects for business English, English communication, personality development, English language lab, group discussion and mock interviews are going on in the entire year so that you can face the IT companies, interviews of the good IT companies successfully. So entire effort goes on throughout the year for you. Infrastructure, we are leading one. We have a great infrastructure with us, spacious classrooms, right? Like we'll show you something, IoT lab, we have server room, library, amphitheater. You can just have the glimpse of this lab, which we have latest desktop configurations are there. Other infrastructure, I'll just have a list of that. So we have theater classrooms, exclusive AC lab for iOS, IoTs, artificial. We have a special lab for artificial intelligence and machine learning. Work is in progress for that. 270 desktops, and further they are going to increase also with latest configuration, powerful service machines with multiple racks and GPU. We have our own satellite link, Wi-Fi internet in every campus, UPS with 40 hours backup, and QNAP storage system to store all kind of files which we have. The infrastructure includes meeting rooms, exclusive room for teaching staff, girls' rooms, sports arena, canteen is here, That is one of the major attractions which students have. So we have a good canteen over here with all kind of food, which you think, which you can go through. So just visit here, have a glimpse of a canteen too. Lush green campus with ample light and circulation, clean water closets, well-maintained RO plants, library, well-maintained library with books, magazines, and all kind of digital contents. We have a full, complete digital library also, which will share all kind of books which are available through various publications. So we are in the contract with various publications which can provide you online content, online books, online presentations, online journals, and all these things for your benefits. So all these things are also there, right? This is the kind of infrastructure we have. These are just photographs of something. Amphitheater is where you can celebrate your days and all kind of things, some cultural events and some musical morning, and all these things can happen within the campus. You don't have to go and have a theater, but we have our own theater here, amphitheater. This is the canteen which we have. Library, of course, I just told you. Sports room, this we just discussed. Yeah, one of the major aspects when you decide to enter into a course or enroll into a college or enroll into a department, you must have this criteria topmost in your mind, right? Like faculties. So we are fortunate that all our faculties are fully qualified, NET or SET qualified, and all are doctorates in their respective fields, of course in computer science, and they have a very rich experience in academics as well as IT industry, with an excellent record in research, publications in national and international journals. So the kind of professors which you are going to encounter, they are really great. They are knowledgeable, they are experienced, they are doctorates, right? They have a lot of experience in teaching and research. So you will get the advantage of those faculties which are here, right? So that is one of the highlights which we'll like to tell you. Okay, so faculties are this. Of course, placement, without placements, who will come here, right? So we are ensuring that anybody who wishes to be placed is placed properly, right? So we have our entire placement division, which is working for the entire year, right? Placing students in good companies. We have almost 80 companies lined up every year, and we call those companies, we give opportunity to the students to sit in those the interviews of those companies in third semester, right? So in third semester of your ICT, your company will be decided, and you can go further for your training and placements as well. So a lot of companies are coming here. Placement is not an issue. I think this is a highlight for us. Especially, I will name some of the companies. Almost there are more than 50, 60 companies. But here we have some companies which I have listed. The packages may range up to, last time it was 8 lakhs in IT companies in Surat itself, right? And we get the companies outside Surat also, from all over India, from Bangalore, from Pune, from everywhere, from Mumbai, Ahmedabad. So these companies keep coming here. They first, so we make a schedule for those companies, inform the students, they enroll themselves for the interviews, and this process goes on for the whole semester. So we have TCS, J0, Narola, Syndigo from Bangalore. Star is a very good company. It's an international M.Sc, which is Difference, AppGambit, Coders, Device, CasePoint, Weekscale. All these companies are coming every year, and these placements are always done. So placement is never an issue. Yeah, of course, this is a fact that placements are according to the merit. So if you are having good grip on the technologies, you may get good companies. If you are not that much good, some other companies will be there. But almost everyone who wishes to be placed is placed, right? Yeah, this is our new initiative which had started. You know, almost more than 200 of our alumni, they have their own companies. A lot of companies are running in Surat also. So we have an alumni wall here. You know, you can see here barcodes, so many barcodes. You have to just scan those barcodes with your mobile, and instantly you can apply to those companies. They are all alumni running excellent IT companies. They will also give you opportunities to be placed, to be trained, and to be conversant with the kind of technology you want to go through, right? So smart alumni wall to scan, apply in IT companies of our alumni. This is there. Yeah, these are the contacts. Uh, so here is email contact, mobile is there, and you can just visit our website to go for the further information. Uh, right. So thank you for this presentation. I'll be interested in questions. So please be free to ask any questions if you have in your mind. I'm just closing this presentation. I'm opening the chat. Please ask your questions in the chat. I'll be giving your answer. Yeah. So that's all. So now you can just ask the questions, whatever if you have in your mind.